Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic is self-motivation. You need to motivate yourself. You get motivated by yourself. Self-motivation. Not by external fellow. You need to motivate yourself. Self-motivation. No mentor, no external mentor. Motivate yourself. Intrinsic approach. Self-motivation is intrinsic approach. That means you should have yourself, innate approach. Self-motivation is an important mechanism that can help us to reach our goals without external influence. Without external coach, external mentor, we need to develop ourselves. We need to motivate ourselves. That is self-motivation. Two motivations. One self-motivation, two external motivation. Self-motivation by yourself, external motivation by mentor. Real motivation is essentially internal. Who motivated me? I motivated myself. From peasants' family, from farmers' family, I came to this level. I motivated myself. Okay? So, instead of getting external motivator, that is mentor, motivate yourself. Internal motivation is far better than external motivation by the mentor. Real motivation is essentially internal. Daily routine of positive self-talk motivates you to face difficult times. Always have positive self-talk. How many students have positive self-talk today? If you have positive self-talk in the morning, then you will achieve in life. No external motivator, no external mentor required for your motivation. Self-motivate yourself. Daily routine of positive self-talk motivates you to face difficult times. All of us are born profoundly self-motivated. All of us born profoundly self-motivated. Young child is the best illustration for self-motivation. Let us take young child for self-motivation. Infants and toddlers tend to be inquisitive about everything, observing, touching, exploring, and constantly learning without any outside observation. The infants, the toddlers, they learn. This spark of self-motivation starts diminishing as we become increasingly dependent on external motivation. When child is self-motivated, the same child when grown, when the same child is grown, is 20, 25, 30, then why external motivation is asking? During childhood he has a self-motivation. At 20, 25 he wants external motivation. Why? External motivation, no mentor required. Highly motivated people are invariably driven by strong internal desires. High motivated people have strong internal desires. I wanted to become an IAS officer. I became an IAS officer. Barack Obama decided to run for US Senate and he was successful in his last chance. Barack Obama. A student who can't read his textbook for more than 20 minutes can read a novel of his interest in one single day. Student who is not able to study his textbook, he reads a novel in a single day. The interest, the motivation he has towards that novel, the same interest, same motivation if he has towards his textbook, then he will be a winner in life. How motivation works, let us see. Motivation actually depends on emotions to release the pent-up energy stored inside the human being. Some kept energy is there inside the human being. If you release it, that is self-motivation. That's all. Positive thoughts about a situation will trigger positive emotions, and negative thoughts will trigger negative emotions. About a situation, if we have positive thoughts, that will trigger positive situations, positive things. If you have something about negative about some situation, then that triggers negative attitude. That's all. How to keep yourselves motivated? Let us see. 1. Introspect and find out what you really desire. 2. With a strong desire, nothing is impossible. 3. Human beings are motivated by what they seek, not what they have. Seek self-motivation. What you have now, seek. Then you will be self-motivated. Example, I want is motivating. Example 2, I have is not. I have is not motivation. I want is motivation. Extrinsic motivation loses its charm once the desired success is achieved. Extrinsic means external. Intrinsic means internal. External motivation, that is extrinsic motivation, loses its charm once the desired success is achieved. How you achieve the desired success? Because of extrinsic motivation. Motivation by the mentor, outside motivator. If you are successful at anything, then intrinsic success, if it is, then your motivation, your achievement will last long. Intrinsic motivation keeps us ready to achieve new heights and raise the bar a little higher whenever we taste success. That is the difference between extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. Please depend on intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is internal motivation. Extrinsic motivation is external motivation. 4. Set specific goals. Goals should be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, reasonable and time bound. Goals should be smart. 5. Get your daily dose. Keep your mind with staff that keeps our motivation in high spirits. 6. Motivate yourself. We are responsible for our actions, definitely. We need to raise ourselves by our own efforts. I realized myself by my own efforts. No external person taught me, motivated me. Outside help should not be depended upon. Don't depend on the mentors. Gautam Buddha says, no one saves us but ourselves. No one is there to save us. No one saves us but ourselves. We ourselves have to save ourselves. That's what Gautam Buddha said. We ourselves must walk the path. Move ahead with faith in our heart for a fulfilling and rewarding journey called life. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.